Hello, maintenance and operations teams, and welcome to today's video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we'll uncover some incredible free learning resources that will help you elevate your skills right from home. We'll be focusing on resources tailored for maintenance and reliability teams. You'll get to know about some amazing online courses and webinars, all at absolutely zero cost. So, if you're ready to boost your professional development, stay tuned. Are you a maintenance worker looking for ways to upskill while staying at home? Today, we're diving into some fantastic free learning resources specifically tailored for maintenance and reliability teams. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. First up, we have the UPTIME Consultant Academy. Andy Gailey, the founding director of UPTIME Consultant Ltd., offers a free knowledge sharing platform that includes 3 online courses. These courses focus on maintenance, criticality, and reliability. It's a perfect starting point if you're looking to deepen your understanding in these areas. Next, let's talk about the UE Systems Learning Center. Adrian Messer, the manager of U.S. operations at UE Systems, highlights that they offer a vast array of webinars. These webinars cover asset condition monitoring and other maintenance-related topics. The best part? They're all available at no cost. All you need to do is log in or create an account to access these insightful resources. But wait, there's more. If you're hungry for additional knowledge, here are a few other websites where you can continue your learning journey in maintenance and reliability. cbmconnect.com, reliabilityconnect.com, on upkeep.com/learning. And for those who are interested in even broader learning opportunities, you can take free Ivy League courses through classcentral.com, edx.org. These platforms offer courses on a wide range of subjects, so you can expand your skills beyond just maintenance and reliability. Remember, investing time in your professional development is invaluable. These resources provide a fantastic opportunity to learn from the comfort of your home and at your own pace. So, why not take advantage of these free courses and webinars to boost your skills and advance your career? And that's a wrap. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we've explored some amazing free resources to help maintenance and reliability teams boost their skills right from home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.